This is for Yamaha YZ80 carburetor, brand new. Put this on my YZ80. Take a look at everything. Okay, I'm just gonna open her up now and see what we got. So that tube there. Okay. Honestly, I don't know what year a YZ80 is, but I'm about to replace the carburetor on it. It's like an 84 or an 87. I haven't ridden this in 15 years. Started it up. It started. But now I bought a new carburetor for it, which is actually right here in this bag. There it is. I'll take it out and show you, but I just want to record this part here. I actually don't need a new carburetor, but I got one pretty cheap on Amazon for like $23, and that's why I'm going to replace it. So here is, alright, so here's the gas line. Just take that off. Just take the throttle out. Let's see how she looks. See if I can get that out. I'm trying to turn this sideways. With one hand, it's not so easy. Which way would be better to pull this out? I'm not sure. There we go. Sorry about the camera. It's one-handed, so it's not that great. Here it is. That's what it looks like. And I'll return in just a minute. Taking it out like this, almost coming, and that's way out. Sorry if I'm not getting the shot here. There we go. Let's get that boot off. There she comes. Alright, I will turn this back on once I have it out, because I need two hands and there's going to be gas everywhere. So there's the new carburetor installed. My only problem, I noticed a few differences on this carb. Like this line is way too big, so I need a clamp to clamp down on this. Or I need a smaller hose, probably a smaller hose, but let's see. Because the other side is bigger. I don't know if that'll make a difference. I mean, the piston, and everything fit in there, the needle. So that's the new carburetor. I don't know if anybody could see it. And I can't do a starter video until I get a clamp for this. So, well, once I do, I will start this up. It's been 15 years, like I said, since it's been running. I did get it running with this other carburetor. I bought a new, well, I had to change the needle jet around. Someone borrowed this from me once, and they messed with it, because the needle jet was backwards and a few things like that. So now I just got to get this going. I'll show you the other side of it really quickly. Get down in here. There it is. The other thing is, you could, oh my, I was blocking. So there's this. Was not on my other one either, so I got to get a hose for that. Sorry for the poor video. I'm trying my best with one hand here, and we'll see how it works. Till the next video. Here I am taking this carburetor out again. Don't know friggin' what's going to see. Why this light never works when I need it. Look at this float. This new Chinese carburetor I bought on Amazon. Give me some trouble here. I'm gonna take out all the jets. I'm just gonna clean everything. It's leaking at the bottom here. It shouldn't be, but let me tell because I don't have something to put pressure. But I guess if I pour enough gas in here, it should go through. Let's see what happens. Here's this float. No. Dropped it. Float needle just fell right out. Whatever you call this jetting needle. Sorry the friggin' footage is so bad, but I think I'll put this one on YouTube. Okay. There she goes. Why does it look bent? Is it dented? Oh, you son of a blizzard. It is dented. Right? That's the old one. I mean, that's the new one. Here's the old one. Boom. And boom. And it's got these two. Alright, maybe put this pen back in. Change out the parts. How's that sound? Okay, small update. This crappy Chinese carb, I had to scrap it, and it's going to be money thrown away because it can't be used. I don't know, it's bent here, which I didn't notice that. None of these jets, which I was going to try and change in there, will fit. So, I cleaned out the old carburetor really well. Let's take a look at that. Get a good shot on it. Where are you? Move this out of my way for now. Oh, the only thing I did put was the needle jet in there. I forgot what you call this thing. This thing. I changed it out. Let's see what happened. First thing is, I put it back. So there's the old carb, putting it back in. The original carb, which I think might be a better idea for this machine. I didn't even get to try and start that one. I had it in. The problem was the gas lines wouldn't work, and then when I did get it all together and turn the gas line, it just kept leaking out of the bottom. And I don't know. So anyway, I'll get this in and I'll come back. Stop. Okay. Gas and cameras don't work. Okay. I just got this in. Let me get myself recorded here. Get it the rest of the way. Get that on. Get over here. Over there. Over there, please. Push it in. This thing better start today. This side go in for me. Do I have to light some clamp? No. There's Lucy not. It's in there. There you go. Yes, that's the way I want it to fit. And then this one, come over here. get this side on. Here we go. All right. That feels like I can actually go back this way a bit. There we go. Think that fits good like this. Yes, this one right there into the seat of this top neck there. Beautiful. Yeah, and there she goes. Okay. Make sure it's level. I got new tubes on there. That's the only thing I took off the new carburetor. Because these ones are shot. Like, here's the old ones. Brittle plastic. Now this bike, I'm telling you, I can't even. That's what it looks like. Okay. So let's get this throttle back in. Let me turn it this way. Yeah. And just let it sit. Make sure there's no buzzes and all that around. Feel it? Goes right in place. Boop. And it should just seat right in there, nice and nice. And yes, there it is. That's it. Okay, tighten her up. And so before, made a mistake. I cut my gas line. Hopefully it fits now because it wasn't fitting on this new carb I bought. Check your parts, man. I checked it, but didn't check it well enough. So I started putting everything together, and that's when you realize, no, not going to work here. Not gonna work here. That's why you stop the video, because these things take forever sometimes. Are you seriously still threading? Like, come on. There we go. Bing, yada bing. Make sure it sounds like it's working. Yep. Choke, she's all good. How does she look in the same spot there, right? So let's get on there. Gas line, which is in a different. I'm gonna bring this around this way, and right back in its spot. Hope it fits on there now because I shortened it. I'm a little worried now. It might be too short. Darn it. Oh, it went on. Yay. Okay, here we go. Alright. I guess you really don't need to see me tighten it all up. I'll just come back when I'm getting ready to start it. Okay. Alright, I just turned the gas on. And if I see gas foam dripping out anywhere, I'll be so mad. I'm gonna quit. Right now, everything looks good. So far, there's the choke. I'm going to turn that on. And no truth. Alright, I think I may have to take this outside and kick it. See what happens. Got some old dirt on there. Whew. Well, that's a good sign. It's not leaking out of here. I don't see any gas anywhere. No, I messed up and I had to, because I cut the other side. Let me see if I could show you from here. I'll put this other kind of clamp on there. Focus, camera. Oh, come on, it's leaking, son of a... If anyone knows why it keeps leaking out of the overflow tube here, I don't know anymore. I've done everything I can with this stupid thing. Just leaked a whole bunch. When I turn it on, it just comes out so much. It's like ridiculous. Why? It's gotta be the float.